sorry, the camera quality's horrific. I gotta upgrade my phone. So the reason why I got a Tesla is because of this autopilot. I can work in and do this. Real quick, this is the stuff they don't show you about real estate investing. Sometimes happens last minute. You gotta get in your car, drive all the way to the property, and get shit done. This property's not on the market. There's nobody managing it besides us. Once it's on the market, then we'll have somebody manage it. But there's nobody managing it besides us. And so because of that, you have these little windows where shit happens. You gotta get out there and get it done. So I'm driving all the way to this Airbnb. It's about an hour away to turn off the breaker. That way tomorrow they can turn on the electric and the inspector can go out there and do an inspection report for us for insurance. Not what I wanted to do a couple hours before my mentorship call tonight. All right, job is done. Came all the way over here just to turn off the breakers so that the electricity could get turned on. Believe it or not, it's the only reason why I'm here. Look at this place. Dark as shit. I ain't gonna lie, at night, coming out here, we got to put some lights out in front of the house. This is spooky. There's no lights. That is the life of being a real estate investor. It is not all sex. It is not all fun. And sometimes you feel super underpaid. This is delayed gratification. This is sacrifice now, hoping that the real estate will grow into something amazing. It's a nest egg. Knowing what I know today, being in the situation that I'm in now, I'd rather focus on the main thing, which is barbering, and buy property that is turnkey. Where a lot of people will tell you, buy the ugliest houses on the nicest block, fix it up, all that good stuff. I don't mind doing that either. But if I could find something that's turnkey and it's good enough, I'm okay with leaving some money on the table as long as it's profitable so that I can focus on the main thing. And that's just a nugget I wanted to share before we start this unboxing. All right, you guys, here is an unboxing that I am super duper excited about. Fast shipping. I didn't think it was gonna get here this quick. I honestly thought it was gonna drop the shipping site, but I guess it wasn't. I've been buying like stuff from ads and stuff, and it's almost always from like getting shipped from China. Not made from China, shipped from China. 10 days to get here, 15 days to get here. That's not a vibe. I don't like that. I'm spoiled. I'm used to Amazon. Even Tune 45, we got fairly quick shipping. This ain't gonna work. Aha! This right here should work. I got my puppy. She's Penny. Why you so nosy, girl? Look. All right, let's see, how do you open this? Shift cam, so you got an idea what Chris talking about here. What I'm talking about here. This is the snap grip. This is the creator kit. Woo! So you got the box. That's what it includes. Magnetic sticker included, grip snap. Supposed to work with this case, but we'll see. So it comes with the light, comes with the tripod, comes with the hand grip, and that's a battery, by the way. It's a battery hand grip, and it controls the shutter, and then they can all be combined. Hoping this just makes it really easy to start vlogging, to start doing tutorials, all that. I gotta upgrade my iPhone to the better camera. This is fire so far. Meanwhile, my puppy, she doesn't want me making a vlog right now, a video. She wants me to help to play with her. Penny, I'm trying to record. All right, so you guys can see, comes with this document, warranty card. Thank you. Comes with this telling you how to use this. I'm honestly just gonna put this thing on my monopod. I don't really need this thing right here on the bottom, the legs. I need this on my monopod so I can quickly just snap my phone on and get to work. And here's everything it comes with. This thing is light. It's not like the, I don't know, highest quality, but it's got a nice grip to it. Comes with it in a case. Okay, before I open that up, here is one of the parts. I guess that's what goes on here. This is the magnetic sticker. It comes with a charger. Let's check this thing out. This feels like quality. I love the materials. This is has a mirror on it, but also the light, snap grip with the shutter speed. And then this is a battery as well, a 3200 milliamp battery. This is very, very useful because when I'm filming with my iPhone, it definitely dies quicker. You can see here, we gotta put this thing on the charger. They gave me a key. All right, so I'm gonna use my iPad to see what this damn thing is, what we talking about here. Just kind of telling you how to get started. So you just attach it. All right, let me show you guys how this light works. So there's a little button here that tells you if it's, you hold on to it, and then you got the light. Press it again, it's brighter. Press it again, it's even brighter. All right, so here's the grip, okay? Let's see, here's my iPhone. Oh yeah, we're good to go with the MagSafe case. It's on there. So now my phone is a camera. So once again, sorry about the camera quality, but this is the idea. So imagine this is my monopod when I'm doing a tutorial, and I can just come in, boom, snap my camera on, and if I need extra light, I can just come in, boom, extra light, boom, hit record, stop recording. And this is an extra battery, and it's charging the phone with the MagSafe technology. So it just makes things really easy to just, boom, get started. I think that's pretty dope. And then this thing, let's say you had it like this and you want to record yourself and you want the light facing you, You just lift it up, boom. Now the light's facing you. That's pretty sick. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna use the hell out of this. Keep it in my bag. Whenever I'm ready to use it, boom. And I can still use my microphone, still plug things in there. I'm feeling it. Here it is attached to my phone. This is my front facing camera, right? And here it is facing 245 enhancement fibers. Let's turn the light on. Boom, boom, boom. Definitely lights it up pretty nice versus that. Like I said, man, it's got the record button. I'm not sure what this button is, probably for the Bluetooth setup, but I like it, man. We'll see if I stay consistent using this thing or if it's just gimmicky. You know, you can never really tell. It's just based on your organic behavior, right? If you're actually gonna use it, so we'll see. So this video is not sponsored or anything like that. Again, I bought this because I saw an ad. I don't have any relationship with the company or anything like that, but I did get an affiliate link. So if you guys want one, you wanna try it out, there's a link in the description below. I think the whole kit out the door cost me like 135 bucks or 130 bucks for everything. You could get just the grip without the light and all the accessories that came with it for I think like 70 bucks. But I would recommend getting all of it because then you can have it on a tripod, mount it real quick. You have the light, mount it real quick. And overall, man, so far, pretty dope product. All right, real quick, guys. Based on pretty much what we've been making this video on with this camera equipment, I just want to make sure I point out something to you guys. Content is king. I don't care what you're doing in life. Like, creating content is going to make you a better speaker. It's going to make you more comfortable with speaking in front of people. And in anything you do, bro, like, you got to be good at communicating. Whether you have a W-2 job, a career you're trying to grow, you got to be good at communicating. And so creating content at least gets you better in that aspect. If you look at my first videos on YouTube from years ago, complete different person. I have much more confidence in myself. I have much more confidence in speaking. And it's not so much anymore about, are people gonna like this? I'm just creating and I post it. I don't apologize about nothing. You know what I mean? Like, just post it and learn from it and continue to post. If you're gonna shift from the mindset of being comfortable speaking in front of cameras, at some point you're gonna wanna be able to scale. And so if you wanna grow clientele, you wanna grow within your company, if you wanna grow within relationships, within finances, you gotta be able to speak to people. And content is one of the greatest ways to get better at that. Not just that, but there are direct results that come from creating content, especially as a barber or a hairstylist. You build clientele, man. You build clientele. You might build a following. You open more doors. You open up more opportunities. There are barbers that create very little content and expect to get sponsorships, to get endorsements, to work with companies, to become educators. Just because you're a good educator doesn't mean you're valuable enough for a company to pay for your flights, to give you money, to pay for your hotels, to go out there and educate. You got to be able to influence. You got to be able to sell. You got to be able to inspire. You can't do that if you don't create content. Building clientele, like I said, creating content is major. When you want to do effective ads, online advertisements on Facebook, on Google, on YouTube, when you want to help people, man, how do you reach more people? You do it online with content. And so for me, what's important is not how good your equipment is. I'm gonna keep it a buck with you guys. That does not matter. A lot of people think what's keeping them from starting that content creation machine is equipment. So they don't create anything until they get that DSLR with that fancy lens. I don't even know where mine is. I got a nice camera with a nice lens. They go get the MacBook, they get all this camera equipment, they try to learn what microphone they should get to get started. And that's not what's keeping you from reaching success in content creation, guys. If you won't do it with just your phone, you are not going to do it with that nice equipment. You might do it for a week, you might do it for a couple weeks, but you're not going to be consistent and you're not going to be disciplined. My mindset has changed a lot. It's changed to just being as efficient as possible so I could be as productive as possible. I always got my phone on me. So I just make sure my phone can be the best possible recording device that I can make it. This is why I carry this bag around. Some people call it a purse. I call it a bag. And part of why I carry this bag around is because I carry equipment in here. This is a microphone. I'm not using it right now, but if I want to do YouTube videos, if I want to do tutorials, I put this microphone on and I keep it in my bag. Now guess what I'm gonna keep in my bag too? This right here. I'm always gonna be ready to film on the best possible device that I have that's convenient to me. My office is always ready to go. I have 3 of these cameras. Okay, I just bought one from Nate. I have one that's always here. As soon as I come into my office, I'm ready to go and start recording. I don't want to have to set up every time I'm going to create content here, guys. I don't want to have to set it up. And so here I am. All I did was stop recording on my phone, hit record right here. Like, literally, that's it. I'm ready to go. I can create content right now. When I go to the barbershop and I'm going to go film,
I always have this on me. So now if I have this on a monopod always at my barber shop, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna grab my equipment, snap it on, and I'm ready to go. And I know I'm always gonna have battery because this thing always has battery. Boy, what? I'm gonna be snapping with content, snapping with this thing, snapping it on my phone. All kinds of snaps. To me, that's what's important. How can you become as consistent as possible? How can you become as consistent as possible with content creation? And that's when you're gonna move numbers. That's when you're gonna reach the most people. That's when you're going to help your business grow the most. It's underrated. Everybody wants the best microphone. Everybody wants the best equipment. And they think that's what's gonna get them going. You don't need it. If you won't do it with the damn phone you got in your hands, you ain't gonna do it regardless. So let's focus on discipline and being consistent, and all that other stuff we figure out as we go along. But we gotta start taking action now. That is the whole point of this whole video.